Myntri katanat Nongrep kamriang ke sorkar jela ke kong amprin lingdo hene kesngi kale Kynduh iki kenhun jeng ki Nongrep banyo sngaw ya bun ki Jingeh bagi Kynduh kamtam habede bakador kamur bagi penyat yo. Haba kren bikla patai kubor ke Myntri ke pentip ru bagi laya kren ru halor ke Jingot ki Nongrep habede bagi Jingeh habawan lingshop ki bor mariang ye ki jingtung jingtep.
Have discussed the fact that natural calamities, whenever natural calamities hit the farmers, then farmers are most disadvantaged. Few schemes are there from the government of India as well, the insurance crop scheme and all that, which our farmers are not yet eligible. We are working on the modalities to ensure that all of these benefits reach the farmers at the earliest. In fact, at the level of the Chief Minister, very recently, in the recent incessant rainfall in the state of Meghalaya, when we were victim to that huge rainfall, we have taken it up and we have tried to make sure that DCs have enough funds to immediately try to fast track losses so that farmers don't feel these losses. And of course that insurance scheme is something which of course requires other things. So all the district agriculture agriculture officers have now been instructed to ensure that we make it simpler for farmers, because farmers were complaining about the seed money, the premium payment of that premium payment of farmers. They were finding it difficult to pay that. So government of Meghalaya had taken a decision not very long ago that we must also help farmers by paying that insurance premium for farmers. We still do not have such large-scale farming in the state of Meghalaya, but we are hoping that we will be able to converge and have many farmers under corporates, under cooperative societies. We are working with the cooperative society also to ensure that farmers get that benefit. These lay-by markets become completely operational. We want to assist farmer groups to install more storage facilities. All of this is in the pipeline. It may take few months, few years, but at least government of Meghalaya is seized of this problem, and we must increase shelf life of the produce of farmers. Then we talked about